Hello. I've worked on the hands a bit. I've covered this one with a foot noodle so it has more of a surface, so it's more durable when it hits stuff. And I have the snowblower attached with these 3 bolts. And it's currently jacked up, so I can position this tension strut right here. Unfortunately, I only have 3-inch bolts in at the moment, so I need to get some longer ones so it can be attached properly, like with these front struts, because these 3-inch bolts just aren't long enough to go through 2 pieces of 2x4, which is actually measured 3.5 by 1.5. So I don't know why the measurement's slightly off, but there you go. Construction standards. How this works is, that part of it rests is the weight's transferred onto the chassis, and so it's the weight is distributed, kind of balancing the snowblower, so it's at a bit of an angle compared to the ground. But hopefully, should be able to get those bolts tomorrow, and I can turn these steps around so I can actually try getting up there and make sure that it can hold my weight. So, I guess, until next time, bye-bye.